Tell me, what do you see when you look up? Is it the stars, the glow of city lights, or something even more profound? It's in this act of looking up that we find the essence of progress. For us, being a leader in the aftermarket automotive industry means looking up long before we put pencil to iPad. It's about gazing upwards, not downwards. We look up to the innovations that already exist and those that are yet to be realized. We look up, not just to see limits, but to find creative ways to transcend them. We look up to embrace sustainability, to achieve mastery, and to honor history, while boldly shaping the future. With Neweast's new European trucks and car parts division, we've cast our gaze beyond borders, reaching for a larger market and a broader segment. Our vision knows no bounds. Our commitment to innovation led us to a groundbreaking partnership. We looked up and signed a landmark lease with DP World's flagship trade and logistics hub in Jebel Ali Free Zone. We are investing approximately 500 million dirham to transform a vast 165,000 square meter space into the largest spare parts distribution hub in the Middle East and Africa. A symbol of our dedication to progress, our expansion is not confined to one place. We're looking up to the horizon. With more than 60 countries reached, 7 branches, and more than 7,000 customers, 500 dedicated professionals across our branches in the Middle East, we're taking a leap forward in our supply chain. But we don't just look up, we soar. We've defied convention by creating an e-ordering platform where our members can seamlessly place their orders online. We're redefining what it means to be a leading OEM distributor. Looking up means more than just a physical act. It's about listening to our suppliers, customers, and the collective heartbeat of innovation. We look up because we know that's where the answers lie, and we know you are counting on us to look ahead. Our gaze is set on the horizon, where we envision Neweast as the foremost technological OEM distributor. We're not just pioneering locally, but globally, paving the way for a new era of innovation. So when you look up, remember that we, Neweast and Ison, are looking ahead, forging a path towards progress and innovation. Together, we'll shape a future that transcends the ordinary, where limits are mere stepping stones. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. With Neweast and Ison, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning.